How to check transaction history on BYDFi application. I guess it's easy to check transaction history on BYDFi app. If that's so, then this video might help you out. To view your transaction history on BYDFi, open the application and go to the assets tab at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on the specific crypto assets like USDT or Bitcoin you want to review. After selecting the coin, you will see a list of recent transactions including deposits, withdrawals, trades, and transfer. Tap on any transaction to view details like the amount, date, time, and blockchain confirmation status. If you want to track order history from trades, go to the order or history section found under the trading tab. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos in the channel full guidance. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna check transaction history on BYDFi application. Bye bye.